Hey, you guys.
Mom?
Yeah?
Mama?
What?
Mom? It's right over the painting.
Are you painting?
Yeah. There's one. Yeah.
I think, Ethan, you're coloring more of yourself than you are of the paper. And of your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth, buddy.
Yeah. Okay, I'll make it for you.
You want to make blue?
Yeah, big blue.
Okay. We don't have to make blue. We have blue. So there's blue. You want blue, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, here. Here's blue. There. It's on your paintbrush. Paint the paper.
My bubbles.
Yeah? Not your leg. Ethan, stop painting your leg.
Yeah.
Ethan, paint the paper.
Yeah.
Good boy. Okay, no. Okay. Seriously? You look like you're bleeding. Yeah? Ethan, no, let's not start on the other leg. Color the paper. Can you color the paper? Okay, clearly. There's no understanding here. Are you having fun, Haley? Yeah?
Water. Look, I painted my shirt.
Yeah? Well, can you color the paper, please? Instead of your shirt?
No.
Are you having fun? Don't do it, Haley. I would like you to paint the paper, not the shirt. What's wrong?
Blood.
Yeah. Is that the paint? Yeah. No touch. Paint the paper.
I'm a pink.
That's not pink, that's red, but it's close. I don't think we can make pink because we don't have white paint.